Good day everyone, my name is Lauren Urbania and here are the tips of planning and preparation. Number 1. Choose your campsite before going on a camping trip. It's important to do some research to find a suitable location. You should think about how easy it is to get to the site, what facilities are available like restroom or running water, and how close it is to places you might you might want to visit, such as hiking trails or lakes. Some campsites require permits or reservation, so checking these details in advance helps avoid problems. And second, check the weather forecast. Weather conditions can change quickly, and being unprepared can lead to discomfort or danger. By checking the forecast, you'll know what kind of clothing or bring weather to prepare for rain, cold, or heat. This helps ensure your safety and comfort during trip. And second tips are pack essentials. Bringing the right gear is crucial for successful camping experience. Essentials include your shelter, like tent and sleeping bag, tools for cooking and eating, enough food and clean water, a first aid kit in case of an injury, and navigation tools like map or GPS. Dressing appropriately for the environment also helps you stay and comfortable. Inform someone of your plans. It's smart safety measure to let a trusted person knowing your camping itinerary and when you expect to return. If something goes wrong and you can contact to help. This person can alert authorities and assist in locating you. And number 3, setting up camp. Find a level and clear area when choosing where to set up your tent. Look for flat ground that's free for rocks, sticks, or holes. Avoid areas under dead trees or branches that could fall and keep your distance from fire hazard like dry grass. This, this ensures a safer and more comfortable sleeping environment. Proper tent setup. Setting up your tent correctly according to the manufacturer guidelines help it stay secure, especially in bad weather. A poorly set up tent might collapse or allow rain and wind inside, making your camping experience unpleasant or even dangerous. Organize your gear. Once you've set up camp, arrange your equipment neatly in an orderly way. It's not only keep your campsite clean but also helps you to find things quickly, especially in low light or emergency. Being organized can reduce stress and improve the overall camping experience. And that's all for our camping tips.
Good day everyone, I am Jasmine Fernandez and I'm here to add some tips about camping. First, safety and hygiene. Gear up for an unforgettable camping adventure, but remember, safety and hygiene are your best buddies. Before you even pack your bags, research your campsite like a pro, checking for wildlife, weather, and trail difficulty. A well-stocked first aid kit is your superhero sidekick, and informing someone of your plans is a must. At the end of the campsite, choose a spot wisely, avoiding flood zones and dense undergrowth. First, safety is key. Never leave a fire unattended. Wildlife encounters, keep a safe distance and store food securely. For hygiene, purify your water, handle food with care, and keep yourself clean. Pack out all your trash and leave no trace. A little preparation, you're set for an amazing, safe, and hygienic camping trip. Second, enjoy your trip. Get ready for the camping trip of a lifetime. Start by choosing the perfect campsite. Think about what kind of vibe you're after. Then, pack smart, bringing only what you truly need for comfort and fun. Once you're there, ditch the phone and embrace nature's simplicity. Go for hikes, build epic campfires, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Take photos, of course, but remember to actually live the moment. Be flexible. Unexpected adventures are often the best ones, and always leave no trace. Let's keep our beautiful outdoors pristine for everyone. This isn't just a camping trip, it is a chance to create an unforgettable experience.